Alright folks, I'm here, Craig, the Samson Tuck and Barge. There you can see the sign. Yeah, this is the terminal in Craig office of Samson Tuck and Barge. And I'm here to get my kayak that I ordered back in October 2020, and today is February 18th, 2021. So let's go and get it. One of the things you need to do first is to tighten up all the bolts, like hand tight, not machine tight. If you're interested in this particular model, Old Town Sportsman Salty PDL 120, probably you have watched a lot of videos that talk about the upper part of the kayak, but there are not many videos talking about the bottom. So let's just flip it over. Well, it's like, as you can see, kind of like 3 big U-Haul type or 3 pontoons style. So this is the recess area for the transducer and the PDL drive hole. And you can see this is for the transducer, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scupper holes. And then the stern. There is a sacrificial kill here. Up there. This is also sacrificial part. This part here, this is what is called universal transducer mount. But according to a lot of people saying that it's not universal, but it is a hummingbird series. But what I have is Garmin transducer and this finder, so I'm gonna get rid of it. What I want to use is this. This is transducer mount produced and sold by Navarre Kayak Fishing. Thanks to Nick. So I already pre-installed it to the transducer, and let's mount it just like so. Okay, now this is perfect. See, it is underneath the height of the actual hull here and there. It will not be damaged by